What kind of solutions does Bechtel bring to the continent that really will help the continent?
For Bechtel, the important part is partnerships in any projects. If it's in the private sector, customers, or with the government sectors. How did the process and how did we get to this contract? Why did we select this particular project? More transparent to the public, and actually working with companies like Bechtel under a partnership for delivery. And how do you maximize the local content policies? How do you work with local suppliers, local contractors, and really bring that capacity building, that knowledge transfer through that process? Another thing is really looking at a tailored approach. I think a lot of companies they come into new environments and think that they can take this model that worked in this country and just apply it into another country. Africa is very much about relationships and understanding the unique aspects of each individual countries and what are the issues facing those countries. So you got to look at when you're looking at that particular project and how is that going to move from the feasibility studies of this design paper onto actually seeing a project being built and people are using that motorway or using that airport or watching that power project deliver power. Really requires that tailored approach and looking at all those aspects for it. So I think that's very important for a company like Bechtel to understand those networks.